Hello, chemistry students. Today I'm going to go over your asynchronous assignment. So on here on your Google Classroom, you are going to see the assignment posted on the stream, also on the under Classroom under week 5. So what does the assignment consist of? It is going to be a very simple assignment. I want you to write down two things that you plan and accomplish during today's asynchronous time. That's your warm up. Then I'm going to ask you to check your Google Classroom and make sure that you have completed all your assignments given within the past month. I will be providing you this tracker of all the assignments you need to check. And then what you need to do is first make sure that you have completed them. So you need to check whether you turned them in or not. Second, then you're going to go here and then just write with another color whether you completed or not. So if you completed, you just write yes. And then you need to move on to the next assignment. If you have not completed, what you need to do is you're going to click on the link and you're going to work on that specific assignment. The goal of this assignment is to help you get caught up, to make sure that you have a good grade, to make sure that you pass this class. Okay? I want you to check for all the assignments. So this is the list of all the assignments you gotta make sure are turned in and ready to go. You gotta make sure you put whether or not you complete them. And then if you're having issues for some reason, right? You're not sure what you need to do, not sure what the assignment is about, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna actually go to office hours. I will be having office hours from 11:30 to 1 p.m. Click on this link. It'll take you straight to my office hours. Just make sure that you attend those office hours on that specific time, 11:30 to 1 p.m. Okay? Afterwards, the last thing you need to do is just do a quick reflection exercise. Did you complete all the assignments? If you did, awesome, wonderful. Make sure you put that in a full sentence, using a full sentence. If you did not complete them and you feel that you need or require additional time, you need to let me know. I want you to be specific. Try to tell me, I need additional time. I am probably gonna need 3 more days. Please don't tell me more than a week, okay? It is your responsibility. You've had these assignments for quite some time now, so I want to make sure that you have enough time, are successful, but you do complete it in a timely manner. If you have any questions, again, make sure that you guys go to office hours and make sure that this assignment is turned in. It's counting as your attendance for the day, and also it's counting for credit. Okay, have a good day.